Can the same product be used for heavily trafficked roads and light-use driveways? Yes, with the right material selection and installation approach. Choose a product rated for load-bearing and abrasion resistance and confirm compressive strength values that match the expected traffic. For pavement and surface treatments, prioritize materials with proven fatigue performance, such as dense graded asphalt mixes or high-strength concrete with appropriate reinforcement. When using permeable or decorative systems, verify the subbase depth and compaction to prevent deformation under repeated loads and allow edge restraints to transfer load to surrounding structures. Match binder type and aggregate hardness to the climate. Softer aggregates polish and rut faster in warm regions, while freeze-thaw cycles demand low absorption stones and air-entrained mixes. For long life on heavy-use roads, schedule thicker structural sections and routine preventive maintenance like crack sealing and surface dressing at the first sign of distress. Finally, document traffic counts and expected vehicle types up front, so design and material selection reflect actual use rather than assumptions. Common mistakes include undersizing the structural section, which causes rutting and failure. Correct that by increasing base and binder thickness and improving compaction. Another issue is choosing attractive but low-strength surface products for busy routes, which leads to rapid wear. Select products with laboratory and field performance history for heavy traffic and insist on higher-grade binders or admixtures. A third concern is poor edge support and drainage, which accelerates edge cracking and deformation. Solve this by installing solid edge restraints, maintaining cross-slope for runoff, and ensuring subgrade drainage is uninterrupted. At BigHomeProjects.com, we help homeowners find trusted local contractors and compare material and design approaches for different traffic loads. We also help contractors find work and join a discussion community where both sides exchange practical tips and real project experiences.